So in this lesson, let's talk about why is CPM important, the best high CPM niches, how to identify them, and what you can expect to make. Okay, so why is CPM important? CPM is the amount of money you make per 1,000 views on your channel. It is also called cost per milli. Certain niches have a higher CPM than others. Obviously, how? Okay, so due to more advertisers wanting to advertise on certain keywords and niches. So the more buy power there is in a given niche, the higher the CPM is. On the flip side, the lower the buy power is, the lower the CPM is. Quick example, health, finance, real estate are some of the top paid niches, but it's harder to get views, okay? Gaming, top 5 highlights, Roblox, like I just showed you in the previous lesson. All these are some of the lowest paid CPM wise niches, but getting a million to 10 million views on these niches is rather easy. Okay, so picking a high CPM niche will allow you to make more money with less views. And on the other hand, right? So what are the best high CPM niches? So obviously finance. So next on the list is make money online niche, and here's an example of make money online faceless channel, because most of the make money online channels are not faceless, but this one is faceless, so it's here for you. It's kind of like, I mean, these kind of channels are weird though. Like, he's making good money, he's not getting a lot of views, but he's making money with all these, apps. All these videos are based on affiliate links, so you could do this, and it's like literally just a money printing channel. But it's like borderline scam to me, because I mean, it does say get paid $5 every single minute, but like we all know you're not gonna get paid $5 every single minute. You know what I mean? So it's there for you, but like if you'd prefer to do like a clean channel, I would recommend to avoid these type of channels. But nonetheless, there's a lot of these type of channels. But anyhow, on make money online niche, there's a lot of wealthy advertisers, high demand. People are always gonna want to make money. And there's always opportunities to increase your CPM by selling courses, communities, producing products of some kind, selling books, whatever it is. And high profits, less views. Okay, so in 20,000 views, such a channel can generate you as much as a million views on a gaming channel, so to speak. So next niche is AI. Although it is not currently like super trending and established niche, it's still evolving. But 100%, without a doubt, it's one of the biggest plays right now in the short term, AI, because it just is. So, and it's just a very, very interesting niche. Okay, there is like so much creative freedom because AI can do so much. And my channel is an example, right? So, and but CPM tends to be on the mid level, and that view cap is still small. So, meaning my channel is not making much money from ad revenue. I'm making currently like, for the past 4 months, I've been making 2,000 in ad revenue per month, which is a good amount of money to some people. I mean, it may seem like it, but trust me, for 100,000 subscribers, making 2,000 ad revenue is not that much money. But again, I managed to build this academy and affiliate links, so that's kind of where the income comes from. Okay, so next on the list is history. So this is already show you this channel throughout this course. But yeah, history can be multiplied and scaled insanely with AI, like they do. I mean, they use B-roll, and that's AI B-roll, and that's what makes them so unique. So yeah, it's especially useful in a historical niche, right? So because you can recreate really whatever you can think about, like Stalin is like standing behind him, like, or whatever historical person is standing here behind this building wall, like something very specific. You can really recreate this with AI, which is going to make your videos super engaging. Another reason history is a good niche, and it's a high paying niche, is because it's evergreen, obviously, and it just has intelligent viewers, which equals to expensive advertisers. It's also kind of a good logic to implement. It's easy to promote. It's easy to promote affiliate products like books, and it's easy to promote your own services like historical coaching, or whatever service you can think of in historical context. So technology, next one is on the list. So with technology though, it's a bit harder to go faceless. I mean, this is an example. They just kind of do comparison videos and also list videos, or an example earlier today with Marcus Brownlee, where he just, with the tech, you just kind of, do like a whatever MacBook review. That's really the type of videos I mean when I say tech videos, and they get a lot of views, but it doesn't have to be like that. Again, like these type of channels also exist, and they get high ad revenue, like very high, because Apple advertisers on these type of channels, Samsung advertisers, and they pay, like they have large budgets, trust me, for ad revenue. They have significant budgets, so they are some of the highest advertisers on YouTube in terms of their budget. So literally you don't want to miss out on this niche if you like technology. So the next one is health, of course, naturally. This is just a cool example for you of a health channel. As you can see, they have 4 million views, 4 million subscribers, but they're just printing out videos. Like they're posting every single day, and looks like they're posting a lot of shorts. Yeah, looks like a lot of subscribers are coming from the shorts as well. So they're kind of doing everything. And because I guess the momentum, the magic here happens in their volume. So, and because of the fact that it's evergreen. So again, it may not seem like they're getting a lot of views, just a couple thousand per day. But if I go to popular, this is where it makes sense. Okay, so millions of views over the years to come. This is kind of more of a real estate type of channel, right? So again, enjoy, use it if you need it. Okay, if you're looking for health niche. So next one is obviously also very expensive, and it's easy to promote things like supplements or affiliate marketing, right? So next one is investing, crypto. You could start like also a faceless crypto channel, just doing crypto screen recordings, like like they're doing like documentaries, right? But you could just do like BTC update, right? It's also a very cool niche. Like these people are doing, they're just talking about crypto. Like if you're into finance, you could do this, and it can be 100% faceless for sure. It especially works in the context of crypto niche. So the next niche is travel niche. Now travel can be multiplied insanely with AI because the niche relies heavily on visuals. Although the needed technology is not released yet, I'm talking about Sora AI from OpenAI. They still have not released it, but once it's released, the travel niche is gonna transform. But anyway, if you're gonna want to go for now faceless in the travel niche, this is kind of a channel that's doing this. So what they're doing is, for example, top 10 tourist attractions in Lisbon, which is in Portugal, I believe. And if I click on this video, it's again a list video of literally top 10 attractions. You may ask, like, this is for them, it's just so easy to come up with content. I mean, for such a channel, literally just write out, like, let's say top 10 most popular countries, then get the capitals of each countries, get like popular locations, figure out what people do in these countries. And so yeah, you can then make top 10 tourist attractions in Lisbon. And as you can see, they're doing an affiliate link. Well, it's just no, it's not an affiliate link. It's just, I guess it's going to their website. Oh yeah, this is where the business happens. Okay, so where to stay, and I guess all these are affiliate links to like hotels and maybe airlines and whatever small business they're gonna promote on here. Not small, whatever business is gonna be on here is gonna be an affiliate link, 100%. So this is kind of the game behind such a channel. So basically, they're utilizing the YouTube channel as this kind of a traffic machine to their website. Okay, so and it works out very well for them, as we can see. So next one on the list is gonna be legal. All right, so legal advice. If you have background as a lawyer or whatever it is, obviously this channel is not faceless, but hey, replace this guy with an AI character, or just like any character, or it doesn't have to be a character, just all this can be faceless easily. And this niche gets very, very high RPM as well. And this is very specific though, like this is really applicable to those who have some kind of a professional background in this or that area. It can be really implemented that way. Very cool way to do that. So insurance is an extremely high CPM niche. Okay, this guy has 30k subs and he does 150 views. But trust me, these 158 views are so expensive. Like I don't even know what the RPM is, but like it's literally the highest on YouTube, like some of the highest with the insurance and real estate. Okay, so I mean, he could easily make like, with this 100 views, he probably made what I would make with like 10,000 views for comparison. Okay, so but again, it's very specific. It's really if you have the background in the area. Okay, otherwise don't just randomly start an insurance channel. Okay, So screen recording tutorials, even like niche like myself or something like this, a more simplified version of my niche, where they literally just do a simple screen recording, because I do like insane editing, but they just do a screen recording, right? And that's their content. And in this video, they teach Bluehost promo code, whatever it is. And it gets insanely high RPMs, especially WordPress. Or I've heard a story of someone, this lady, she made a video about Wix, like the website. It's a website builder, right? Wix.com. On that video, she had an RPM of $500, and she actually proved it. So it's so much money. Like, I mean, for 1,000,000 views, she could get like $50,000, which is, bruh. Yeah, so it's a lot of money. No, I just made a mistake. For potentially 500 RPM with 1,000,000 views, you could potentially get $500,000. As crazy as it sounds, but of course, it's almost impossible to get that many views when the RPM is that high, because again, she had like a very, very niche down specific Wix tutorial where probably the view cap is like, 10,000 people anyways, right? So, but if you somehow manage to figure out how to get big views in a very low CPM niche, which is like the hardest thing to do, that's also a cool way to go about it. But then there is how-to channels with also good CPM, right? For example, this guy, he gets no views in the short term, right? Like no views, but his videos are really long term. Okay, so yeah, I mean, again, they just build up views over time, but not the best model, because his audience is not loyal. I mean, remove reaction from story. How many times can you realistically learn that? Okay, you following my point? So interesting channel, but not something I would recommend doing again. And last on the list is car channel, again called Bladed Angel. So this channel is obviously in the car niche, and car niche is one of the highest CPMs. And this channel is also like just what they do with the amount of effort it takes to create their videos. Literally, like all they do is they post screen recordings. Like literally, I can actually play it right now, and I apologize for the sound quality, but let's play it for a second.
25 grand stripped down last time we did this, which, by the way, thanks for watching last time's video. I did not expect it to get.
I mean, I guess you hear it. There's just some guy, like whatever he's talking about. I don't want to get into this, but they just have some Facebook marketplace drama going on. I guess it's gonna make sense in the context of his community. I mean, take a closer look if that interests you. But literally, again, all he does is just a screen recording combined with some basic pictures, like I'm doing right now. It's like literally, except instead of like creating educational content, I'll just be sitting here talking shit about cars and like Facebook Marketplace, and just upload it like this, and put together this sloppy thumbnail. And he's actually, it's all so sloppy, but it looks cool and unique, right? So again, on YouTube, you don't have to be AI guy with like fancy editing like this channel is showing, or like I showed you with my new Roblox channel. Like some content is pure degenerate. Like it just makes no sense why people even watch this, but they watch this and it makes money. And so yeah, it's about utilizing all of it. And at first, again, you should start with an issue, like learn YouTube, understand YouTube, and then you can start Roblox channels, car channels, whatever it is. But that's also a potential niche you can start with. So really take the time, analyze these channels, figure out, like click on videos, see what they are doing in their descriptions, what they're doing in their profile descriptions, what they're doing in their communities and side businesses, or like what leads you to their side businesses, right? Just figure all of this out, right? It's gonna help you tremendously to figure out this game like entirely. Okay, so again, what are the differences between high and low CPM niches? Let's summarize everything. So in low CPM niches, you literally have to get millions upon millions of views. That's it. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Easier to scale, easier to run multiple channels, but again, you're always attached to views, ad revenue, and generally speaking, it is just not the best way to go about it in 2024, okay? It's a cool way, not the best way. However, getting millions of views isn't that hard once you figure it out and put in the work, okay? So in high CPM niches, views come harder, but they're much of a higher value, okay? Easier to sell products, easier to build personal brands, easier to connect with audience. My most honest advice is build hybrid channels, like I already mentioned. Build medias, all right? Build something that can be outsourced, scaled, multiplied, etc. Aim for something that can become bigger than yourself. Okay. I see like Empire Business. I really wrote this out. Like I see a lot of people going into this just like, oh, let me create a YouTube automation channel and like, yeah, let's make some money. No, just don't call this YouTube automation. Like throw this term away. Build an empire. Truly have this mindset going into this. Okay, that's gonna give you the right mentality for everything. Okay, this is just gonna immediately plant that kind of a long-term vision in your head. I'm really like, I hope I don't sound cheesy or pathetic right now. Like it's truly all super crucial. Okay, so what okay, let's talk money finally. What can you expect to make? And keep in mind, this information is based first of all on my own payouts, the money that I have seen lending to my bank account personally. Secondly, it's based on my connections with other YouTubers and of all kinds. I know YouTubers that have 5,000 subscribers in a gaming niche, and I also know YouTubers with over 1 million subs in a finance niche, and other even bigger YouTubers. Obviously, not mentioning any of them. You can believe me, you don't have to, but I'm just gonna lay it out, okay? And just a lot of other, there are many sources of information I've come across and stumble upon. So these are pretty realistic numbers we're looking at right now. So anyway, in a low CPM niche, for example, like myself, that I'm building a channel in Roblox niche that is gonna be based only on views, right? There is gonna be nothing going on this channel but views. On such a channel, CPM or RPM, that's the right term here, because RPM, by the way, is what you get, but CPM is that ratio before YouTube takes its cut. All right, so RPM on that Roblox channel, so for example, RPM could be between 60 cents up to $2. $2 would be really high. And on the make money online channels, on real estate channels, all these kind of channels, RPM can go anywhere, CPM can be anywhere between $10 to $50 per 1,000 views. If you're wondering, on my channel, currently I have about $3 RPM, so it's $10 CPM, but it's super low actually. Again, it's very, very low for the channel of my kind, my niche, but it is what it is, okay? So 100,000 views on a low CPM niche is around $200. 1 million views in a low CPM niche is about $1,000 or $2,000. For comparison, in a high CPM niche, 100,000 views is anywhere between $800 to $5,000, could be even more. 1 million views is, multiplied by 10, right? So keep in mind, I only mentioned ad revenue income, okay? So these numbers are only ad revenue. Brand deals, affiliate links, anything else is not included. But it is there. It's there, it exists, and it should really be taken advantage of, okay? So now let's move on and talk about my favorite niche.